case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the mid-20th century, a controversy stirred the state of North Dakota involving environmental damage and property rights over wildlife. Prompted by the death of numerous fish in the Heart River, allegedly caused by the Dickinson Cheese Company and its manager, the state found itself in a legal tussle. The Heart River tragedy was attributed to the company's discharge of whey, a byproduct of cheese production, into the river. This environmental incident prompted the state of North Dakota to file a lawsuit against Dickinson Cheese Company. According to North Dakota, the fish in public waters were essentially under its guardianship on behalf of its people, therefore giving the state claimed property rights and basis for damages. The dispute, however, took an unexpected turn, as the defendants challenged the state's claim to ownership. The lower court sided with the defendants, ruling that the state did not have the necessary ownership interest to lodge a civil lawsuit for damages. Unwilling to accept this verdict, the state of North Dakota pushed for appeal. However, the North Dakota Supreme Court stuck to the initial ruling, iterating that the state's interest in the fish was not from a possession stance, but rather as a sovereign one. While the state has regulatory power over animals in the wild for conservation, it does not hold ownership rights substantive enough to support a civil action for damages for wildlife destruction. This viewpoint was backed by precedent, citing the case Commonwealth v. Agway, Inc. Furthermore, the court stated that the Anti-Pollution Act does not endow the state with power to pursue a civil action for monetary damages for the unlawful killing of fish in the wild. The act does empower the state to develop water quality standards, and violators can face penalties, but it does not grant property rights over the wild fish. The court therefore affirmed the dismissal of the case, reinforcing the principle that property rights do not extend to wildlife in their natural state.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class